Set up your brand once, and every email Studio makes will already look and sound like you. If you log in with your Flodesk account and already have brand settings set up there, they'll automatically be imported into Studio. If not, you'll be asked whether you want to add your own brand or choose a brand preset to get started. If you choose a brand preset, you'll be presented with beautifully curated brands right here in Flodesk Studio. Go ahead and take a look and choose one that works for you. You can also choose to add your own brand. Here, you can upload your logo, add your business name, your website URL, and also describe your business. This box right here will help generate your content correctly. You can also paste in your brand's colors, or if you don't have colors, you can click suggest and we'll give you some fun palettes to use. Here, you can also upload your custom fonts. Select the fonts, confirm that you have usage rights, and click continue. Next, you can map your fonts. This ensures that your heading, subheadings, body copy, plain text copy, and buttons and accents are always the font of your choice. You can also select which capitalization to use for each of these. Next, we're going to ask you about your brand voice. This is going to help generate the perfect copy in your emails. And lastly, add an image that represents your brand. We will use this as your image placeholder in any of your designs. And there you go. Your brand settings are now complete. If you ever need to make an adjustment to your brand settings, click on the brand button in the bottom left. Here, you'll also find some additional settings that were not part of the onboarding workflow. For example, you can find your social link settings here. Simply click on the icon you want to add your URL, and this will automatically be added to any emails with the social block. All right, now we're ready to create our first email.